Hi traders, it's me again. It's Chris. Hope you're having a wonderful day. It's a beautiful day here in Stratford upon Avon. Really sunny, cold but sunny. Hope you're having a fantastic day. As promised earlier, I will do the hourly chart coaching for those people who want to earn extra profits along the journey of the parabolic trends. And just a reminder that whatever package you've gone for, if you've invested 3,000 quid on the VIP package with all the charts, or whether you've just invested £495 on the gold software with full coaching, then of course let's make your money back, and this is one way to do it. And I'll do these regularly to keep you up to date with what's going on in the markets, plus give you extra coaching so that you can choose how you want to trade. Not many traders know what they want to do or how they want to trade, but let me go over the charts with you now. So one thing that we do know is when prices go parabolic, i.e. they start to make a move on all charts, then of course you can make a lot of money. And during the VIP DVA session, I will go into the daily and the 4 hour, and I'll be doing the trailing stops as per normal. So you can invest your 30 bucks a month. It won't change my life, but it could change yours. Just trail the moving average and the support areas along the way during the daily video analysis for members only. Simple as that. I'll give you the targets, I give you the trailing stops, and I tell you which ones are moving. Now, if you want to get busier, just slightly, and you want to make more money more often, then this is a great way to trade if you fancy it. This is Bitcoin. We know it's parabolic. We know we've made a lot of money. However, where can you get into this trade if you're not in it in the very beginning? So we had the change of character back in February, and probably a long time before that, actually. I won't go back too far. But here's the deal. When we have change of character to the upside, everything goes green. When we have change of character to the downside, everything goes red. Very simple. Even beginners can follow that. Even my 7-year-old grandson gets it. So it should be easy enough. So once you get change of character here, that is your trading opportunity. Once it goes green, you know where your trailing stop is. It's an hourly chart. Very little more to do. And I will give you some other examples as well. This is the extreme example, of course. Well, that's over $14,000. Okay. Now, here's the other thing. If you miss that entry, you're not there at 5 o'clock in the afternoon on the 26th of February, let's say, how do you get in again? Well, have a look at the corrections. What happens is with the markets, they have corrections. So it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, and up again. And then you have break of structure, you have break of structure. So that's your swing low, that's your swing low, that's your break of structure to the upside. That's how a trend works. So how do we know when we're getting in low? For the first thing is the stochastic tells you. That's the first thing. If you've got the advanced pro charts, then of course you'll have all these settings. If you have the advanced pro charts for 3,000 quid, you'll have everything. You'll have the oil software, the gold software, you'll have the advanced pro charts, you'll have 12 months coaching, you'll have 12 month signals, you'll have the whole shebang. And you'll also have these buy signals. Now I've set these at 1 to 6 to get a little bit more active. Now, how do you use these? First of all, whenever you get a buy signal, just the buy signal, you know where your stop is. So let's have a look at that. So let's so you've got a buy signal there. All right, it's on a yellow block. I know it's on high liquidity where it's going to fall. I know. However, it is just a correction. So your stop is going to be at the bottom of that support line there. And you're going to go for 2 to 1 risk to reward. Okay. Let's get rid of that one as an example. I'll give you lots of examples, so don't worry. There's another buy signal there. So what do we do there? Buy signal there. Your stop is better this time. Your stop is there, and you're looking for 2 to 1. Okay. There's another buy signal there. What do we do? Stop is below that support area. You go for 2 for 1. You get the picture, I think. Buy signal. Now you can program the buy signals to come into your emails. Very straightforward. If you're not trying to do that, let me know. And there's 2 to 1. Okay, so there's one opportunity on the break of structure. Oh, sorry, on the change of character. There's another opportunity there on the change break of structure. There's another opportunity there. Another opportunity there. Another opportunity there. Another opportunity there. So as you see these buy signals in an uptrend, green, you can actually check to see whether the price is cheap. So when the price is low on the stochastic, it's very cheap, very cheap, very cheap. And you've got this as a bonus to say that this is all green and going up as well if you want. Don't need it, but this is essential. So of course, eventually all these things run out of steam, don't they? The trend doesn't reverse, but certainly runs out of steam. But you have to trade with everything. So now we've got this sell signal here. What do? Add alert. So I want to know when it goes long, once only, and I will type in buy Bitcoin. So that will now come to my email. Whenever that alert comes on, it will give me my buy signal, and then I will go long somewhere around here probably on my stop below here, and I'll go for 2 to 1. Let me give you some other examples. It's a fantastic way to trade. Now you can call it day trading. It's not day trading. When I first started trading Forex 30 years ago, I had my mentor, Vince Stanzioni. He's no longer around. But the first thing he said, we had a group of about 10 of us in a meeting in London, and he said, day trading doesn't work. And to a certain extent, he was absolutely right. And the problem is, with day trading, you have a different attitude. You tend to think, well, I can make $500 a day, therefore I can increase my lot size because it works all the time. And of course, it does not. And your attitude is completely different. Once you come into the hourly chart, then of course it's much more relaxing. You're just waiting for the buy. You haven't got a buy. So you just wait and then wait for the email to pop in. Let's have a look at some other trending parabolic trends. So if you're a member, then of course you know how it works. On the right in my watch list, I have red flags, which means it's parabolic downtrend. I have green flags, which indicate parabolic to the upside. So they're the ones that you want to trade because they have strong trends in place already. Okay, like Bitcoin, like gold, etc. So let's just, this is the Euro Swiss. Let's have a look at this. I'll give you two examples. One where it's not parabolic, therefore it's clear to see why not. The first thing to note is a couple of points, is this support line here. So there's two support lines, and this is what I call a double break or a change of character, whatever you want to call it, but it's a double break so that everything goes green and therefore it becomes a buy. So can you see the situation where you might have bought this? There's number one, of course. There's number two. Now, here's the thing. If you bought on this buy signal, which you would have done, would have been fine, by somewhere out there, Make sure your stop is below that support line, and then make sure you've gone for 2 to 1. Okay, if you missed that one, this is a better one. I'll tell you why. If you have a look at this here, the stochastic is going down. It's not cheap. So this price is not cheap at this rate. So you are going to get the price going against you for 10 hours, whatever it is. This is a better position because you are buying in cheap. Okay, you're waiting for that next buy signal. But if you want to get in, of course, you can at any stage here. And we have high liquidity here, this blue block here on the price action chart. So it's highly significant. So buy signal here. Again, you could set the alert so that it comes to your email. Buy there, stop below this area here. And if you notice, the stops are quite narrow, 27 pips, and go for 2 to 1. Okay, so a fantastic way to trade, and let me show you a few more as an example. Euro Canadian, yeah, so there we are. Let's go into the Euro Canadian. I mentioned this a few weeks ago as well. Change of character down here. Now, I don't like a lot of these miners, to be fair. They aren't the best in terms of volume, but nonetheless tradable. Now here, got a buy signal here. Your stop would have been down. You might have got stopped out there. You've got a buy signal here. So let's have a look at that. Stop in the previous swing low. And 2 to 1. Oh, there. Right, okay. About there. Another buy signal there. Everything's green. If you notice this, when you're buying, everything is green. Has to be green. By definition, that's the way the advanced pro charts work. 2 to 1. So can you see quite quickly how much money you could make simply by following the 1 hour chart and just managing the rules? Let me show you one that is not parabolic, and I'll explain why. First of all, there's a couple of points here. The first thing is you have a major resistance area here, which is from a previous high, and you have a support line here. So what this means, this price is in consolidation. Now for a few weeks we made some money on the pound yen, didn't we? If you remember. And this is a fantastic pair to trade. It has high volume going through it, so if you fancy getting into the pound yen, then it's a fantastic one to get into. But not today. Certainly not this week. However, now have a look at this. As the price changes character to the upside, and again, don't forget in the VIP daily video analysis, I will tell you what's moving parabolic. So you can just flick down to the hourly chart if you want to. Now I can't be around here, 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 I can't be around here. These opportunities are for you to have, and I really want you to enjoy the advanced pro charts so that you can make a lot of money. And I don't want you around. It sounds strange. I don't want you to be here. I don't want you to need the coaching anymore. I want you to be an independent trader, and that is success for me in teaching you how to be an independent, successful trader, making these important decisions based upon high probability. So let's have a look. Oh, excuse my cold again. I can't seem to shift it at the moment. I think there's a bug going around. And a few of you I know have got it as well. So 2 to 1, somewhere around there. Okay, let me just do these. There's one there, you could have got that. One there, you could have got that. One there, you could have got that. Stop below the previous support area. 2 to 1. This would have fizzled out probably. So there's that one there, that there. Oh, you would have got 2 to 1. There you go. So even though that fizzled out, because you only had a 32 pip stop, 2 to 1, it would have hit it almost exactly. So the key, especially in the latter stages of the trend, is not to be greedy. Don't go for 200 pips because it can do that. Okay, so just go for 2 to 1. Nice 100 pips there. 2 to 1. Nice 100 pips there. So getting these little moves can add up to a lot of money in your account. Let me go over some other trades as well. Here's another one, the pound Swiss. Posted this into the Forex signal group, so congratulations if you traded that. And so there we have the change of character to the upside. Couple of points to make. Notice this big support line here. It's really important, that bit. Have a look back. I have to narrow that down a bit. Okay, there was the change of character on the 7th of Feb. Okay, so you can see all the buy signals. One, that's the change of character. Could buy it there, stop down there, buy it there, buy it there, buy it there. Consolidation, fantastic. That's what you want, because then it breaks again, breaks again. As long as this holds on to this bottom area here, then the buys are in. And there you have it. So a fantastic way to trade. So there's the buy there, and there's the buy there. So you can easily have 2 to 1. Your stop is down here, 30 pip stop, something like that, and 2 to 1's there. So it's probably a bit that was hit. I mean, we know it was hit. You can get in early if you're actually at your chart. Then of course you can just simply go there. 2 to 1. Wait for the price to come down again. 2 to 1. So very quickly you can see that you're adding up to many, many thousands of pips simply by trading the parabolic trends, which are the most powerful there is. Just a reminder, when we do get the parabolic trends and we make a lot of money, that is the time that you could add to positions. Because if you imagine that we got in down here on the change of character and you got to break even by doing the trailing stops, which I give you each day, very quickly you are at break even. So you can say, right, okay, this is working, I'm making money, I have a zero risk gain, and so therefore I can get in here, 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 and then I can get in once it starts to go up again. Fantastic way to trade, and hopefully you enjoyed it. Give me your feedback, and if you spot any of these, then let the team know. You know, let's work together in getting some success to you all. Some people struggle. I understand that. You know, this is not easy. It's not supposed to be easy. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it. But it takes patience, and but I hope this is helpful and that you can use this information to greater success.